So to get a good paint wash finish, I needed to start with a really good cleaning. And here's a quick tip when you're working with furniture that has mold or mildew. When I see mold on wood, I always know extra attention is needed to get that all removed. I always wear a mask, gloves, protective eyewear, etc. So always remember safety first. And I remove the mold and mildew by cleaning this piece with a TSP substitute, White Lightning. You can also use water and dish detergent like Dawn. I've done that before. Or add vinegar to a spray bottle with some water or some bleach to a spray bottle and spray that on as well. They also sell mold removers on Amazon if you're not into mixing your own. And a tip when cleaning mold is to use a brush just to get right into that wood and just take off everything. A sponge works great, a cloth will work great, but if you also have a brush to really give it a good scrubbing, I would highly suggest that because this is where mold spores can be hanging out. You want to make sure you get all the nooks and crannies, the backs, the creases. You just want to make sure you kill it all.